The projection is unreal. In for a good time and a long time. Hello, beautiful besties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you are returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much, and welcome back, besties. Today, I'm telling you about this sexy fragrance combo. I also have a beautiful package that I did receive from Dior. Thank you so much, Dior, for collaborating with me on today's video. Oh my God, my lights are so bright you can't even see it. I want to open this up with you and show you what I got. This is how the package looks. It's super, super, super cute. You know, if you want luxury delivered to your doorstep and you want beautiful, amazing packaging, order from Dior Beauty. I'm going to tell you how you can save some money and how you can get free gifts with purchase. If you want to hear more, please continue to watch. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous jewelry. So if that sounds like something that you'd be into or you want to be a part of, stop what you're doing. Drop me your scent of the day. Have you reached for your fragrance yet? If so, I want to hear from you. What are you rocking today? Also, if this seems like your vibe or your zhush, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't stop there. Come over, slide in the DM, and say hi on Instagram. Without further ado, we are jumping into this video right now. Okay, you guys, let's get into it. Whether you wanted to gift this to someone or gift it to yourself like I love to do, I love receiving packages, you guys. I really do. The doorbell rings and I'm like, oh my gosh, somebody's here. A package, a package, a package, a package. I'm just very excited for packages. That's what I love. I ordered this. I went online. I got something very special. If you've been watching the channel for any amount of time in the last, couple months, I've been doing home scents. I am so right now into scenting my home, even more than normal. So I did reach for this. It comes with a beautiful note card inside. I wrote myself a note, and then there's a packaging there that always says Dior. Oh my God, it's still celebrating my birthday. Girl, not you still celebrating your birthday. You guys, do you see what it says? Do you see that it still says happy birthday? I am still celebrating my birthday. Girl, enough already. We are almost in October. When you order with Dior, you are going to get 2 free complimentary samples to try. You will also get to pick them out. I picked one of the new fragrances that they came out with, L'Or, which is the one created by Francis Kirkjohn. It's the first one I believe that he did with Dior on their own, and that is this one here. It's absolutely beautiful. I've already smelt it in store. It's definitely full bottle worthy in my opinion. I will have a full detailed review coming on this fragrance soon. This is the sample that I did choose. Also, it comes in this nice desk bag. We love that. You can put your jewelry in there, your earrings in there, your necklace in there. I have tons of these and they come in so handy whenever I'm traveling. Also, I picked up something from the limited edition line. This is a Miss Dior, and this is a beautiful candle. It's set to smell like flowers. Let's take this off. So this is what the box looks like here. I told you I was into my home smelling good. So this smells, apparently, it said in the notes that it smells like a beautiful floral type of fragrance. So I can't wait to see what this smells like. This is a limited edition. They do have like a lipstick case that they have with the same pattern on it. They also have like a makeup, like a powder. It's like a cushion. This is on their website, you guys. They have a lot of good gifting items going on right now, so you want to check that out. I will have everything linked in the description box for you below. Now, I wanted this for my closet area. I have a vanity in there, and I wanted to put this on it because this is just so classy and so ladylike, and it's so me. Also, I picked up, oh yeah, the holidays are coming up, Cheraye, and I don't want you to be without the proper shimmer. Now, Dior does have 2, a part of the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. I'll have it linked in the description box for you below. They have a silver one, and they also had a pure copper one, and I picked up the copper one because I think it's gonna be so smart and so cute during the holidays. You guys, just look. And if you go on their website, you can actually try these on online. Look at the color. I'm gonna swatch it for you as well. I already tried it on in store. It's shimmery. I love a good shimmer. It matches the color of my skin beautifully. Do you see that there? It's just a speck of color there. And that's what I wanted it for. It could be a topper, it could be a standalone, you could wear it on its own. And I absolutely love this. So yeah, they had 2. If you're more of a silver gal and you like more of the silver look, they have silver. They have tons of colors, but these are the 2 that I'm recommending for the holidays. You know, we need an extra little boom, blah, blah. You know what I mean? It's really nice on the lips. I already have something on, girl. But it's so pretty, and it gives a nice gloss, shine, but at the same time it has like glitter in it. It's pigment, but it's not too glittery. It doesn't look like, you know, like a disco ball or anything like that. It's done very well. It's very nice. All of the information for how you can save is going to be in the description box below. Like I stated, whenever you are ordering from Dior, you spend a certain amount, you're gonna get free shipping delivered right to your doorstep, especially if you are a Dior Beauty member. You're gonna get complimentary shipping. Also, you're gonna get your 2 free samples. So it's just a win-win all the way around. Now, let's start with Tobaccalor. If you want a hot, heavy, sexy fragrance, a beast, not going anywhere, gonna get on you, hold you tight, never let you go, this is absolutely amazing. A few of the notes inside of here, it's got some honey, it's real smoky. Plum, it's got amber, peach. It is so good, so sexy, and so long lasting. The sillage is unreal. The projection is unreal. This is gonna be smelled before you even arrive. It's just that good. It is so heavy, so hot, so smoky. It's really smoky, but it's smoky in a good way. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is really good. I put beast, intense, and for a good time and a long time. Yes, that's what I wrote. So you want to get your hands on something sexy from Dior's private blend, I would definitely say check out Tobaccalor. I move on. Now, another one. This one is so cozy. I slept in this the other night. Came home, took my shower. I was looking for, you guys, I've been sleeping in like Joe Malone, Mimosa, and Cardamom like every single night. I'm like, okay, enough, girl, pick something else. So I went over to the Dior section and I was like, oh my God, let me sleep in this. You guys, I slept in Vanilla Diorama. I believe that's what it's called. It's this one here. It's so good and so sexy, and it's holidays, it's inviting, it's sexy, it's got some rum, it's got some vanilla. I was like, oh girl, don't disturb the peace. This is so good. I'm gonna tell you what to mix it with. This and that. Come back and thank me later. So this is rum, pink pepper, sandalwood, patchouli. It's classy, it's elegant. It's a vanilla fragrance, but it's a luxe vanilla fragrance. I think it's not like over the top unique, but it's unique. It's done really well. It's blended to perfection. It's something I would reach for on a dressy occasion, although, you know, you spray fragrance when you want, spray as much of it as you want, and reach for it as often as you want. I don't wait for certain seasons to wear fragrances. I wear what I like, but it just so happens that this is such a beautiful fall fragrance and you cannot go wrong. I'm gonna end up smelling really good again. Oh my gosh. Oh my, it's the rum note. It's the rum and the vanilla. It's very, very sexy. Now this here, to me, all of these, in my opinion, are unisex fragrances. You already know how I feel. Man, woman, boy, child, human. Pull up and rock what makes you happy. The next one is, this is Hypnotic Poison. If you've been to the channel before, you know I refer to this as like the little red apple. I absolutely love this. It's gorgeous. This has in it vanilla, plum, almond, rose, sandalwood, and musk. This is beautiful. This is something that lasts on the body for a very long time. It has depth to it. It's sensual. It can go into the wee hours of the night, in the early, early mornings. I'm just saying, it's definitely one of those. So if you have not tried Hypnotic Poison from Dior, check it out. It's a oldie but a goodie. Now, all of the fragrances that I have mentioned thus far can be rocked with Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I love mixing vanilla fragrances with cherry fragrances. It adds a little bit more sensuality to it. Did I make up that word? Is that really a word? Sensuality. I think that's a word. I think that's a word. I think that's a real word, you guys. But mixing these two together, and then because this is such a beast and it's so loud, to just make it a little sexier and add in a little bit of that cherry liqueur from Tom Ford Lost Cherry, putting these two together, match made in heaven. Okay, a match made in heaven. I just topped these two together just to see how they would go, and they went well as well. The plum, the almond note inside of here, along with the boozy liqueur inside. Okay, these are the fragrances you want to reach for this fall, this winter. Don't leave this video without checking the description box. Every single thing that you need to know to pick up any of these items and more will be linked in the description box. You make sure that you check out Dior Beauty. They do offer, like I said, 2 complimentary samples that are really nice, generous samples. The packaging is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to burn my candle. I will be honest with you guys, I'm not gonna burn this right away. I'm gonna sit it there, it's gonna look pretty, I'm gonna look at it, it's gonna look back at me, and then eventually I will burn it. But for right now, I'm just gonna enjoy it sitting on the vanity because it is so super, super gorgeous. Also, you guys, for free shipping, make sure you check out the description box. Every single thing will be linked there. Thanks so much for taking the time to stop by and spend this Saturday with me, or whenever you happen to see it, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. Thank you for stopping by. I truly appreciate you. Again, thank you to Dior for partnering with me on today's video. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Duelings, thanks for watching. Bye.